Hello. Today, let's remember a calm spring moment. It can be from any year, any place. Maybe a warm day. Maybe cherry blossoms. Maybe soft, warm sunlight. Maybe the sound of water. Imagine this memory softly in your mind. Notice the small details. Colors, smells, sounds, feelings. Let them be gentle. Choose one sentence. I remember a warm day. I remember cherry blossoms. I remember soft sunlight. I remember gentle water. You do not need more. Just enjoy the memory. Take a deep breath in and out, and let your memory bring a smile. Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, please feel free to play it again tomorrow. The more you hear it, the more comfortable you will feel with your English. Please subscribe for more episodes coming soon.